Hello students, I hope you all are doing well and studying at your home. Welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of Social Studies, and in today's video, I would like to continue the exercises of chapter 2. So students, in our previous video we had already completed all the exercises of this chapter, but in today's video we are going to summarize all these exercises again. Okay, so in this video I will summarize all the exercises in a single video so that you can easily complete it all. Okay, so students, firstly take out your social studies book and open chapter 2. Okay, open chapter 2, page number 10. Okay, so students, firstly let's discuss a little bit about the new words of this chapter. So first new word of this chapter is energy. Okay, so the first new word of this chapter is energy. Energy means the strength to do something. Okay, so it is the you can say the strength means the power to do something, the strength to do something is called energy. Okay, and next word is healthy. So what do you mean by healthy, students? So healthy means to be well and fit. Okay, to be well and fit is called healthy, not ill. Okay, so if you are not if you are free from the sickness, if you are fit, if you are well, then it is called you are a healthy child. Okay, you are a healthy boy or girl, you are a healthy person. Okay, so a person who is free from the sickness, who is well and fit, called the healthy person. Okay, is that clear? Now these two are the new words from this chapter. Now move on to the exercises of this chapter, students. So here the first exercise of this chapter is mark the following sentences as true or false. Okay, so the first exercise of this chapter is mark the following sentences as true or false. Okay, so here you can see in this first exercise, students, you have given 5 sentences. As you can see here, 5 sentences are given. You have to read this and you have to find out that which of the sentence is true and which of the sentence is false. Okay, means which of this sentence is correct and which of this sentence is incorrect. Okay, so one of the sentence that is a correct, you have to write T, because T for true. Okay, if any sentence is true, then you have to write only T, and if any sentence is false, you have to write F, because F for false. Okay, is that clear? Now students, move on to the first one. So first sentence is we need food to live. Is it true or false, students? Tell me. Now students, the third one is to be healthy we should only drink juice. So students, tell me, can you be healthy by only drinking the juice? Can you imagine if you do not eat enough food, if you do not take the proper diet, can you be healthy by only drinking the juice? Of course not. So this sentence is false. Okay, this sentence is false. So here you have to write F. Okay, you will have to write F. Now move on to the next, and the next one is paneer comes from plants. So students, tell me, paneer comes from plants? No, this is totally wrong, because paneer is a product of milk and milk comes from the animals. So paneer comes from the plants. Okay, paneer is a product of milk. So this is false. Again you have to write F. Next one is sugar comes from animals. Is it true or false, students? So this sentence is false, because sugar comes from the sugar cane, and sugar cane is a plant, not animal. So here you have to write F. Okay, is that clear? Now move on to the next exercise, and the next exercise is put a green circle around the food we get from plants, and the red circle around the food we get from animals. Okay, so here students, you can see here so many food items are given. You have to choose, you have to identify that which of these food items we get from the animals and which of these food items we get from the plants. Okay, and which one of the food items that we get from the animals, you have to put a red circle around it, and one of the food items that we get from the plants, you have to put a green circle around it. Okay, is that clear? So let's start with the first one, and the first food item is a chicken. So students, now tell me, do we get chicken from the plants? No, we get chicken from the animals. So you have to put a red circle around it. Okay, like this. Is that clear? So like this, you have to put red circle around all the food items that we get from the animals. So chicken we get from the animal. Now next is rice. No, we do not get rice from the animal, so skip it. Next one is paneer. Yes, we get paneer from the animals. Next one is fish. Yes, we get fish from the animals. And chapati, no, we do not get chapati from the animals. So next one is egg. Yes, we get egg from the animals. Next one is carrot. Yes, no, we do not get carrot from the animals. Next one is bread. No, we do not get bread from the animals. Next one is banana. No, we do not get banana from the animals. And then number 10 is milk. Yes, we get milk from the animals. And then cheese. Yes, we get cheese from the animals. Okay, is that clear? So these are all food items we get from the animals. And the left food items, rice, chapati, carrot, bread, banana and orange. So you have to put a green circle around these food items. Okay students, is that clear? Now move on to the next exercise, and the next exercise is choose the correct answer. Okay, so in this exercise you have to choose the correct answer and fill in this given blank. Okay, as you can see, you have to choose the correct answer and fill in this given blank. So first one is we should eat dash. So what we should eat? Option A is only vegetable, option B is only paneer, beans and chicken, and option C is all kinds of healthy foods. So which one is the correct answer students? The correct answer is option C, all kinds of healthy food, so that we can get the all types of nutritions. Okay, so we should eat all kinds of healthy foods. So option C is the correct answer. Is that clear? Now students, turn your page and come to the page number 11. Okay, and here you can see the second one is food gives us dash. Okay, food gives us dash. So here again 3 options are given. You have to choose the correct one. Okay, so first option is the strength to sleep, B one is no energy, and C is the strength to work and play. Okay, so which one is the correct answer students? Food gives us no strength to sleep. No, wrong. Second one is no energy. This is also wrong. And third one is the strength to work and play. Yes, food gives us the strength, the power, the energy to work and play. So option C is correct answer. Okay, option C is correct answer. So here you have to fill the strength to work and play. Okay, now move on to the next one, and the next one is we get dash from animals. Okay, we get dash from animals. So here again 3 options are given. Option A is milk, option B is rice, option C is bread. Okay, so what we get from the animals students? Do we get rice from the animals or bread? No, we do not get these two from the animals. So what we get? We get milk from the animals. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, option A is the correct answer. So here you have to write milk. you have to write milk over here. Is that clear? Now our exercise third is completed. Okay, now we have to move on the exercise fourth. Okay, the last exercise of this chapter. So the last exercise is answer these questions. Okay, so in this exercise you have given 4 questions and you have to answer these questions. Okay students, so the first question is, why do we need food? Why do we need food? Now students, tell me basically, why do we need food? What is the importance of food in our life? So foods are very important for us because it helps us to grow. Okay, it gives us energy and we need food to live. Okay, we can't survive without foods now. So that is why do we need food? We need food to live. Okay, we need food to live. Is that clear? Name any 3 foods that help us to keep healthy. Okay, so here students, you have to write 3 foods name that helps us to keep healthy. Okay, you can write 3 food items name that helps us to keep healthy, like pulse, rice, vegetables, fruits. Okay, I have given you teaching notes students. Okay, I have given you the exercises of these chapters. Okay, so you can write from this. Name 2 foods that we get from the plants. Okay, so in this question you have to write 2 food items name. Okay, 2 foods name that we get from the plants, not from the animals. Okay, so 2 foods that we get from the plants are fruits and vegetables. Okay, or fruits and rice or wheat. Okay? You can write anything that we get from the plants. And the question 4 is, name 2 foods that we get from animals. Okay, so in this question you have to write 2 foods name that we get from the animals, not from the plants. Okay, so 2 foods that we get from the animals, you can write milk. Okay, milk and egg. Okay, milk and egg. Is that clear? Only 2 food items you have to write. Is that clear students? So we have done. Okay, now exercise 4 is also completed. So students, you have to complete these exercises in your book, and the exercise 4 you have to complete in your homework. Okay, this exercise 4 you have to complete in your homework copy. Okay, and you have to show me during your class. Okay, during your live classes. Is that clear? So students, don't forget to complete your homework. I'll check it during the live classes. So see you in the next video lesson students. Bye bye, take care of yourself.